Every clean house you see is uncleaned by motivated people. They just have systems that work on autopilot. And I'm about to show you the exact three-step system that keeps your house tidy even when you have zero motivation and feel completely exhausted. This works for the laziest person in the world. Trust me, I tested it. But first, you need to understand why your current cleaning approach is actually making things harder. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal the weekly reset secret that changes everything. The real problem, here's the truth. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a system problem. Most people think they need to be more disciplined or push themselves harder to keep a clean house. That's exhausting. Instead, you need a lazy-proof system that works with your natural habits, not against them. Think about it when you're tired after work. You're not going to walk across the house to hang up your coat. You'll drop it on the nearest chair, and that's okay. We're going to use that. The first system is catching clutter at its source, and it starts with something called a landing zone. Here's what most people get wrong. You have a closet for your coat, but it's upstairs. You have a drawer for your keys, but it's in the kitchen. By the time you walk in the door, your stuff is already scattered everywhere. The lazy-proof fix: create a landing zone right where you enter your home. This is a designated spot with hooks, a small basket, and a tray. When you walk in, you drop your coat on the hook. Done. Keys go in the tray. Done. Purse goes in the basket. Done. No thinking required, no extra steps. Everything has a home within 3 feet of your door. Here's the game changer. Add things to your landing zone that you naturally forget. Got kids who always need socks? Keep socks there. Always grabbing sunglasses on your way out? Add a sunglasses bin. Your landing zone should match your life, not some Pinterest perfect image. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the number one thing that ends up cluttering your surfaces? I'll reply with a solution. Now let's talk about the 3 daily tasks that prevent your house from spiraling into chaos. These are your non-negotiables, but we're doing them the lazy way. Daily task number 1. Dishes, once per day. You don't need to wash every dish immediately. But once a day, usually after dinner, every dish gets cleaned. Load the dishwasher, wash the pots, wipe the counter. Done. This one habit prevents that overwhelming pile of dishes that makes you avoid the kitchen entirely. Daily task number 2. 1 load of laundry. Notice I said 1 load. Wash it, dry it, and put it away the same day. Here's the rhythm trick. Do it during something you already do. Filling the bathtub, fold laundry, watching TV at night, sort laundry. When you attach it to an existing habit, you don't need motivation. It becomes automatic. Daily task number 3. 10-minute tidy. Set a timer for 10 minutes. That's it. Run around and put things back where they belong. Do this before bed and you wake up to a clean house. Do it in the morning and you start your day with a clear mind. This trains your brain to tidy as you go. Eventually, you won't even need the timer because putting things away becomes second nature. These 3 daily tasks, dishes, laundry, and a quick tidy, keep your house maintained without any stress or overwhelm. Finally, you need 3 weekly tasks to keep everything running smoothly. But remember, we're keeping this lazy-proof. Weekly task number 1. Meal planning, optional but helpful. Take 15 minutes to plan your meals for the week. It saves time, money, and those last-minute, what's for dinner, panic moments. If you hate meal planning, skip it. This system still works. Weekly task number 2. Paper management. Set 1 day each week to deal with paper clutter. Pay your bills, file important documents, throw out the junk. Here's a lazy person hack. Don't use a filing cabinet. Use a basket. Stack papers by month: January on the bottom, December on top. At the end of the year, bundle it, label it, and start fresh. Piling is filing when done right. Weekly task number 3. 1 area reset. Pick 1 area that needs attention. Maybe it's the fridge. Maybe it's a messy drawer. Maybe it's your linen closet. Spend 20 minutes resetting that space. That's it. You're not deep cleaning your entire house, just maintaining 1 area so it doesn't get out of control. And here's the most important part. Embrace good enough. You don't need to fold your fitted sheets perfectly. You don't need to organize your junk drawer by color. If it's functional and you can find what you need, it's good enough. Stop comparing yourself to Instagram perfect homes. Those aren't real life. So there you have it, the 3-step system to keep your house clean and tidy without any motivation. Stop clutter at the source with landing zones. Do your 3 daily non-negotiables: dishes, laundry, and a quick tidy. And reset one area each week while embracing good enough. This isn't about being perfect. It's about creating a home that works for you, even on your laziest days. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more lazy-proof cleaning systems. Drop a comment and tell me which system you're trying first. And remember, good enough is good enough. Now go enjoy your tidy home without the stress.